Welcome back. Welcome back. So I just want to share this with us. Okay. And this is a message from General, uh, not Butoso, sorry, Commander Gentle. All right. Because I wanted to say General Butoso, not the Butoso. This is Commander Gentle. Gentle have a message, and I'm going to share that message with us. All right. I'm going to share the message with us. The issue is this. Few days ago, Nigerian security forces with Ebubago went to Arondizugo and killed many people. They killed a lot of people, and for no just reason. In fact, that video I have shared that the report from and So and said something about it. I shared it on my tweet, on my X handle, on my Twitter, and I'm gonna share it on WhatsApp group. So if you're on a WhatsApp channel, you are privileged to have that, okay? Or you can go to my X, you see the video, because we cannot share that kind of video here because of the Obalande Marinande Wala there. So it's not allowed to be shared here, just like on Facebook as well. You can't share something like that. But there's a message from Commander Gentle to Arondizugo, because it had been rumored that some people from Arondizugo are the ones sponsoring this and bringing people, life to an end for no just reason. So the names of those people are not even hidden. People know their names and all that. Gentle was a kind of complaining about it bitterly, and I don't blame him. Anybody that actually loves, because for you to be in his position, you can only do what he's doing if you love, if you love your people. You can't just wake up and say, okay, let me do it this way. You have to be this way when you don't love your people. So he don't like to see, innocent people murdered like that. Nobody like it. In fact, some of you may feel okay now, but if you see the picture or what happened there, you yourself will feel bad. So he sent a very strong message to them. And there's some clip, one of that two voice notes, of course, very, very short, that also gave more details or summarized what happened, So the two voice notes also are the eyewitness, maybe they are eyewitness, people who witnessed the whole event from the same place, from Arondizugo. So what they will say, we may help you to understand what happened there. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me what you think about it. Now, let us go straight to the program, all right? Let me start by bringing you that audio. This is Gentle. Pay attention.
Papa Malaka gave where this my voice. Joram way by him voice. I make a voice. I wrote as a question man. Make a voice. I wrote Zumba Sente. Make a fund no. Any one of them, of result with Juma, they want car. But now I'm very much happy. Unwa we resolve one dog or more dog or gentle. It mean well, I got Papua Bula Abuacha Hacha. Laga Papua no where Anoquara Mumukita. Una Maquella meeting in a if you don't Tremondamilo blades. I say, Pamoni, I will tell them Amilo blades. But the one Amilo blades, come on, we get the Kuno, Kachikwana Aqualuma, Kashikwani Ikala Kik Bazwa. Na Kik Bazwa, Onyola Kashikwa Kwaika, Onyabequella. Nakanobere Bumbu where Abuakwa Jogo. Obere Bumbu where Abuakwa Jogo. Let Biafrans hear my voice. Let Biafrans hear my voice. We are only fighting for our freedom and the freedom of our people. We are only defending the motherland. For the enemy is not to enter. When you also use your DOS, they use here. When you also use here through DSS. DOS to DSS. When you use is dog here. Hey, Joquanes, Ogua, Britain or Halumugi, Ogua, France or Halumugi, Ogua, all these Arabic nation, Arabic countries, Israel and Nigeria, or Nigeria. Now, a Flaneman, Waluno could say it is only Igbo, to Igbo that can conquer Igbo. There's no any tribe that can fight Igbo and win Igbos, except you use Igbo to Igbo. And this is what is happening now. This time around, I want time Ojuku. Lorogo Biafra. Owala Bago, La Kwegu, Alazaru Kwegua. I know the reason why you are Bunogua. And the other, my last voice, Unuga, with again. And when you can next one, only have me on next. When I can go, you know, one urgent to let go. Ogo be equal Tonkin Mad. Agromogo Landizog. Alrum Landizog. Alrum Landizog. I'm a man to a let the world hear this, my voice. Let the people hear my voice. Makamboy energy. Makunu one where army. For army, bottom no blade. Unuga no in another way around though. And the tall Unushu and the only Yanagi there like that. Makanagua Mugawa, Nakayamagua boat. Aguamuni Agua. We don't get them the Quaruno, Dalopano.
Now, that is the voice from Gentel. This is Gentel warning Arondizugo. So the message is very, very clear. And the other voice that you're about to hear is not Gentel, but people from that region, from that area, from Arondizugo. This is what they said. That is from Eyewitness. Another eyewitness is here. Listen. Okay, I think it is still the same person, but he witnessed everything, and that is what he said about it. You see, everybody needs to understand that when you hear clinic, going on in a place, how our people are being used, it is not a joke. It is not a joke. It's a very sad news, and this is why you need to stop sabotaging and acting as if nothing is going on, because today is in Arondizugo. Tomorrow it could be your region. Okay? I don't want video to be too long. Maybe during our live broadcast, we may deliberate on this more. Okay? Thank you so much, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Tell me what you think about it on comment section. I would like to hear from you. Thank you.